Wait, don't scroll. Volcano, rainbow, bending water, all from your kitchen. Zero panic. Let's go. Get ready to say wow. Baking soda plus vinegar, boom! Fizzy lava everywhere. That's a chemical reaction in action. What color would your lava be?
Slightly excited. Drop raisins in soda. Up, down, up again. Gas bubbles make them dance.
Wait, pause. Do you think grapes would dance too? Sugar, water, food coloring, they stack in layers that don't mix. Different densities. Look at those colors. Magic? No, science. Right with lemon juice? Heat it gently. Watch your secret appear. Science is sneaky. Oxidation is at work. Egg in fresh water sinks. Add salt, it floats. Buoyancy magic. Parents, no mess. Classroom safe. Fun for kids. Pepper in water. Touch soap. Boom! It runs away. Surface tension breaks fast. Try this trick. Safe and easy. Bottle plus baking soda and vinegar. Gas forms. Balloon inflates. Kids, can you guess the gas? It's carbon dioxide. Rub balloon on hair. Hold near water. Water bends magically. Static electricity at work. Try it at home. Add salt to ice with string. Wait a moment. Lift it up. Freezing point drops. Oil, water, food coloring. Tablet in. Watch the bubbles rise and fall. Wow! Instant lava lamp. Science isn't scary. It's fun. It's safe. If you loved this, hit like. Subscribe for more. Bye!